Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Solutions. Are you struggling to locate your cursor on your desktop while you are working? And you are looking for the solution without installing any external program on your computer? Then you came to the right place. Before that, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notifications for our upcoming videos. So while working, if you don't find your cursor, it's very frustrating. Installing the external program to locate the cursor may harm your computer. Windows has provided the simple solution. Let's check. I'm using Windows 10 latest version in 2020. Click on Start on your desktop. Search mouse. Click the mouse settings option. This will pop up the new window with the mouse settings. We will check all these settings in our future videos. For now, click Additional Mouse Options. New pop-up window will open. Click the Pointer Options tab. Check Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key checkbox. Apply it and test once by just moving your cursor somewhere else on a desktop and pressing the Control key. It will show a circle around it. Now, if your cursor is out of desktop, let's say I'll show you somewhere here, and before that let's press the OK. Let's move our cursor somewhere outside and press the Control key, and see, this is how it will show us the position of a cursor without installing any external program on your computer. So that's it from this tutorial, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.